Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app. Select the shape. Copy the shape. Change the color. Adjust the color. Select another shape. Adjust the shape. Change the color. Copy the shape. Confirmation. Then select the shadow. Select the emboss button. Light angle. Select 3D shape. Change the color. Direction 5. Extension. Change the background color. Select the color option. Adjust the color. Adjust the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.